If ever there was a time that we required expanded policing powers to Metro Police, then it is now. We need to catch, we need to convict, and we need to clean up. I'm standing outside the Parow Regional Court where the dockets of 5 suspects arrived this morning for those individuals to be brought before the Bishop Lavis Magistrates Court today. They have all been arrested in connection with extortion-related charges and the attacks on spaza shops in Bonteheuwel. This afternoon, 4 of those individuals have been released without appearing in court due to the fact that there was not enough evidence to support that case. The 5th individual, the young lady who was seen on a video taking a firearm, will return to the Bishop Lavis Magistrates Court tomorrow, where she will appear again. But now, more than ever, SAPS and our prosecution need all the help that they can get. And that help comes in the form of expanding those powers down to Metro Police so that we are able to catch the criminals, convict the criminals, and clean up the justice system.